Alright guys, what's up? There's music that's gonna be playing in the background. It's not mine. It's from the neighbors. They doing their thing, so I ain't got no control over that. So far, how we looking? Looking pretty good. Oh yeah, you know. Oh, you know. Like I said, you're gonna hear them, and then you're gonna hear the chickens, the roosters, all that. So, you know, what you, that's a real guard dog. He sit at the gate in the crack. Yeah. That's all you do, huh? You tired? Uh-huh. Not a bad looking car. What you think, you know? It's alright, you know. Well, I mean, we know it's black. I went ahead and started cleaning up the inside, getting stuff situated. Still gotta paint that corner over there. Just waiting. I'm about to go ahead and cut a slit there, make a square, not only for my shift boot, but for me to do the, as you see right there, shift bushings. Maybe we can do a video on this. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, do y'all really want to see this? Let's see what's up. I mean, all right. I guess we'll put these in. See how the shifter feels after this. All right, this right here, as you can see, it moves at the bottom, which is not supposed to. So we're gonna go change this bushing that's right here. We're gonna change the two bushings on the side right there. 40 grit should cut it pretty fast, especially the thin wheel. You know how we gotta do it. Gotta do it safety first, you know. Yeah. Okay.